Everything is working out for you. All your wishes are coming true now. You are finally close to the finishing line and the breakthrough is happening for you. You are the one who is getting ready to get more ready. You are the one whose wishes fulfilling now. You are the one who's getting more ready to get ready. You are the one who is experiencing the wish fulfilled. You are the one who is feeling extremely good and you have reached that vibrational alignment within where all your wishes have come true. You are the one who is feeling it that your wish has come true. You are the one who is completely mesmerized by the knowledge that your dreams have now come true. You are the one for whom the wishes are now fulfilled. You are the one whose wishes have now come true. You are the one whose dreams and desires and wishes are now fulfilled. You are the one who is experiencing the moment when your wish is fulfilled. You are the one who is ready to experience this beautiful moment where your wish has been fulfilled. You are the one whose every wish has been completely fulfilled. You are the one who is experiencing a momentum in your journey. You are the one who is experiencing an acceleration in your journey. You are the one who is experiencing the move in your heart space. You are the one whose dreams have come true now. You are the one who is experiencing the blessed moment where all your wishes have come true. You are the one who is experiencing the momentum at the core essence of your being and is moving past all the barriers. You are the one who is extremely loved. You are the one who is experiencing a momentum at the very core of your being. You are the one who is more blessed than ever. You are the one who is chosen beyond measure. You are the one who is experiencing the much needed breakthrough. You are the one for whom everything has suddenly worked out. You are the one who is waking up to a reality where all your dreams and desires have come true. You are the one who is experiencing a shift at the very core of your heart. You are the one who is no longer choosing to suffer. You are the one who is completely freed from the energy of suffering. You are the one who is experiencing that shift at the core, which is taking you to definitely the next level. You are the one who is so blessed and so touched by the divine blessings of God that at this point of time there is a divine intervention happening in your favor. You are the one who is experiencing a divine intervention. You are the one who is experiencing a natural breakthrough. You are the one who is completely supported. You are the one who is completely blessed. You are the one who is experiencing the shift at the very core of your being. You are the one who is completely blessed. You are the one whose wishes have come true. You are the one who, at the very core of your very being, is experiencing a change in the momentum now. You are the one who is finally realizing that you are capable of experiencing a shift. You are the one for whom everything is lining up and everything is orchestrating in your favor. You are the one who, after the breakdown, is now experiencing a breakthrough. You are the one who is having the phenomenal comeback. You are the one whose enemies are shivering to see the grandeur in your coming back energy. You are the one who is experiencing a humongous shift. You are the one for whom everything has worked out. You are the one who can never be tamed. You are the one who is extremely blessed. You are the one whose wishes are now coming true. You are the one for whom everything has worked out. You are the one for whom there is a divine intervention now. You are the one for whom God has shown up now. You are the one for whom God is making a shift now. You are the one for whom everything works out naturally in divine order. You are the one who's experiencing a godly shift. You are the one for whom everything is unfolding right at this second. You are the one who is experiencing the breakthrough at the very core of your being. You are the one who is now experiencing the magnificent, much awaited miracle in your name. You are the one for whom the portal of abundance frequency is opening now. You are the one for whom your wishes are getting fulfilled now. You are the one who is experiencing that very much needed shift at the core. You are the one for whom everything has suddenly worked out. You are the one who is the winner ultimately. You are the one who is experiencing the win-win victory. You are the one who is experiencing a shift at the very core of your being. You are the one who is experiencing a breakthrough at the very core of your existence. You are the one who is experiencing a transformation beyond all the barricades. You are the one who is completely being blessed beyond measure. You are the one for whom everything has finally worked out. You are the one who is so blessed that you are now experiencing the much needed miracle. You are the one whose wishes are now fulfilled. You are the one who is now experiencing a miracle. You are the one who just got extremely lucky. You are the one who just got extremely blessed. You're the one whose wish is fulfilled.